This is Steve with Rocky Mountain ATV-MC, and today I'm going to show you how to service the air filter on the Suzuki DRZ400. Maintaining your air filter is the single most important thing you can do for your dirt bike. And the DRZ400, even though it hasn't changed since 2000 very much, you should check with your OEM service manual for the proper procedure. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. These procedures will work on your DRZ400 S and SM models. To do this job, we've opted to use the Twin Air Filter Maintenance Kit. It comes with everything you need to service your air filter. You'll also need some rags, safety glasses, and gloves, and a copy of your OEM service manual for more information, proper procedures, and specs. Suzuki recommends inspecting, servicing, or replacing your air filter after 600 miles and then at every 4,000 miles thereafter. You may need to do this more often depending on the riding conditions that you're in. Now let's go ahead and pull this cover off and we'll remove the filter. Now just be careful when removing this not to drop any dirt into the intake. Now you can see here that this air filter is extremely dirty. Now you can clean it, oil it, and reuse it if there's no tears or anything like that, but we're going to go ahead and replace it with the new Tusk Racing air filter just to make things a lot easier. Now before we service the air filter, let's go ahead and clean the air box out using some contact cleaner and a rag. Now let's go ahead and remove our filter cage and clean it with the solvent. Now let's take our new filter and we'll go ahead and oil that. Now when you oil this, you don't want to wring it, you just want to squish out the excess oil. Now before we install this, some guys like to use a little grease and put it on the seal here just to reassure that they don't get any dirt inside of the intake. If you've oiled these properly, you shouldn't have a problem, but do whatever you feel is safe for you. Now let's go ahead and install it. And now let's install the airbox cover. And that's it. That's all there is to servicing the air filter on your DRZ400. Come check us out at RockyMountainATVMC.com for more parts, apparel, and accessory. And if you like what you see here, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Steve. We'll catch you next time.